What if I told you there's a vehicle so powerful, so futuristic, it makes every other off-roader look like a toy? The 2025 Crawler S 6x6 camper truck isn't just a vehicle, it's a revolution on wheels. But is it worth the insane price tag? Or is it just another over-engineered dream? Stick around because, by the end of this video, we're revealing a shocking feature that could change everything you thought about adventure vehicles. The Crawler S 6x6 is a beast in every sense. With its aggressive stance, reinforced steel chassis, and modular exoskeleton, this truck is built to survive the harshest terrains. The camper body is made from ultra-lightweight carbon fiber composites, ensuring durability without unnecessary weight. The six-wheel setup isn't just for show. Each wheel is independently suspended with adaptive hydraulic dampers, allowing it to crawl over boulders or glide smoothly on highways. Under the hood, or rather integrated into its frame, is a hybrid powertrain combining a turbocharged V6 engine with a high-capacity electric motor system. Total output? A jaw-dropping 650 horsepower and 880 pound-feet of torque. The electric motors provide instant torque, while the combustion engine kicks in for long-range endurance. The Crawler S can hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.2 seconds, which is insane for a vehicle this size. Top speed is electronically limited to 110 miles per hour, but let's be real. This isn't a speed demon, it's an unstoppable force. With a ground clearance of 16 inches, locking differentials on all axles, and an advanced terrain response system, the Crawler S laughs at mud, sand, and rocks. The adaptive air suspension can raise or lower the truck on the fly, and the central tire inflation system lets you adjust pressure while moving. Water fording, up to 4 feet. This thing is practically amphibious. The 180 kilowatt-hour battery pack supports fast charging, reaching 80% in just 35 minutes with a 350 kilowatt charger. On pure electric mode, you get around 120 miles, but the hybrid system extends that to over 600 miles total. Solar panels on the roof trickle charge the battery, giving you extra juice during long expeditions. Step inside, and it's like a luxury apartment on wheels. Heated and massaging seats, a full kitchenette, a modular sleeping area, and even a compact bathroom. The dash is dominated by a 24-inch touchscreen with AI-assisted navigation, real-time terrain analysis, and drone integration for scouting ahead. Yes, you heard that right. This truck can deploy a drone. Now, the big question, how much? The Crawler S 6x6 starts at a staggering $350,000, with fully loaded models crossing $500,000. Pre-orders open early 2025, with deliveries expected by late 2025. Is it expensive? Absolutely. But for those who demand the ultimate adventure machine, this might just be worth it. Remember that game-changing feature we mentioned? Here it is. The Crawler S has an optional self-recovery winch system that uses AI to analyze stuck situations and pull itself out autonomously. No need for another vehicle or manual adjustments. That's next-level innovation. So, is the 2025 Crawler S 6x6 the ultimate off-road camper, or just a ridiculously expensive toy? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insane vehicle breakdowns. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next review. Trust us, you won't want to. See you in the next one.